Of us to get a massage in the Philippines. We are currently in Siargao. Despite the rainy weather, we're gonna make the most of it and get all oiled up. You excited?
I'm getting oiled up.
Yeah, you are getting oiled up. He's been begging me to do this. Who wants to come and rub us down? Look, Ben's all giddy. Ben can't wait. Me and Ben are on the way to another. We're just looking for a massage.
Swedish, deep tissue, combination, dry massage.
Combination's the best.
Two combinations.
Two combinations, please. Oh, cold.
Well,
I haven't had anyone touch my feet in a long time.
yeah, it's probably for a good reason.
How ticklish are you? There you go. Oh.
Need like a hard one?
Do we want a hard massage?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. This will be good fun.
You're feeling bent.
So what do I even wear? Do I put this on?
Yeah. Just pants, then wrap that around you.
What do you mean you've not got pants on?
Literally, it's me, Ben, no other customers, and about 5 Filipino women. Ben's bought swimming shorts. He hasn't even got pants, for God's sake.
Don't mind me. Really going through it over there, aren't you?
Yeah, my arms are behind my back.
Are you on the feet yet, George?
Yeah.
Getting beaten up, George. Oh. Getting my toes done. Oh, God.
You really are struggling today.
Firming it.
See you struggling.
You see me struggling.
Never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
Do I, George?
Yes.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay.
It's good.
Just relax.
Oh.
Relax.
What?
Oh.
Oh. I ain't moving.
I didn't know it was going to happen the first time. It just happened. I was like, oh my god. I'm not even joking, there was like 8 bone clicks.
George, I've never been so oiled up.
There he is. Oh, relax, mate.
Floating. Don't want to move. Break my neck.
Right, see you on the outside, mate.
How are you going out?
Yeah, I think you pay for the 24-hour version. You stay right there, I'll come find you tomorrow morning.
The hair.
Look at the state of us. Banana? Ah, very nice. Thank you. It's hot. My banana. Very accommodating.
Oh, thank you.
There you go. Provided even more fried banana. Do you like the first one?
Yes, it's spring roll with banana. That's what I meant to say.
It's just banana.
No, it's not. It's not like
It's not. It's just fried banana.
There's no way. Because
Yes,
look,
it
yeah,
is,
look,
look.
it's wrapped up. Yeah, see, look, it's banana inside it.
Banana. There's no spring roll. It's in like batter.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's spring roll.
Batter doesn't make it a spring roll.
Huh?
Okay. What's the name of your place? It's Nemil Massage Siargao.
My name.
Oh, okay. Nemil. Well, thank you, Nemil. Thank you very much. I want to get a photo now.
Okay.
See you later. That was actually really good. Despite Ben laughing through like 50% of it.
I couldn't. When she's touching you up like that.
You're just not even used to it, that's why. I guess human touch in general. Ben's a very personal person. Mine wasn't that hard. She definitely could have gone a lot harder than that.
She went hard on me. She went hard on my arse.
Nice.
Literally, she started like pulling down my shorts. I was like, hang on a minute.
Mate, I literally had the pants right up the crack of my arse.
Went in, got told to bend over.
Got folded like a pretzel, had a good time. I'd recommend it. Look at this kid.
What are you doing, George?
Get my arse slapped.